Test, test, test. This is the mic on noise cancellation mode. Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. I'm so glad you could be here. Let's listen to the drum and see what it sounds like. I'm curious what that sounded like with the noise cancellation on. And I'm also curious to see what it sounds like when I add my voice. Okay, I'm gonna take it off noise cancellation now by double pressing this button. Okay, good. It changed to a blue light. Success. Now I'm speaking. Hello, everyone. I'm so glad you could be here to join me to framedrum. Okay, now what if I add my voice to such an endeavor? Do I add my voice first or do I add my voice second? Do I use words? No, I don't. What a pleasant and wonderful surprise I gave to myself. Okay, I think this is an effective sound test. Ending in 3, 2, 1. So that was a no contest situation. The drum sounds so much more beautiful without noise cancellation. So we're going no noise cancellation, blue light. However, my voice did clip a little bit. So let me turn the mic gain down. Down, down, baby. Okay, let's do another test. I came up with something kind of fun, or something came out of me. It was like, and I needed to sing it quieter. voice is really loud in the mix. Let's see. What? Oh my God, it's so cute. Let's put a dance move on it. It's like, okay, you want to do a different body part, and you're going to do a different rhythm. Okay, well, I think we got the right levels. We got the right settings. And we have the right shirt. I guess I need to have the mic right here. I can think of one sports bra and one shirt that does that. But I should also sing louder and see if it clips. Try that and see what that sounded like. Okay, I turned the gain down a little bit more, and it also clipped when my drum got closer to the mic as well. So let's see what happens now. I can just see the waveform. I think it still needs to be turned down. Yeah, the red is happening on doom. All right, so let me turn it down more so that it did not get into the red. Dancing on the red. Boom, boom. I gotta listen. Okay, so I turned it way down, like to 75 if it was on a scale of 100. So it was quite loud earlier, and it was so nice because I could be like, I'm whispering. But most likely in a class environment, I'm going to be speaking in my voice of authority, not whispering. Especially because there will be bodies in this room who will need to hear me in this reality around me of people I can physically touch with consent. Okay, I'm not seeing any red. Super loud, and it did not show red. Let's see what it sounded like. It didn't show red on the last one, but it definitely didn't sound good. And I won't sing that loud anyway. But what if I have it turned down by 12 decibels and I'm greeting people in class and I'm saying, hello, welcome to class, I'm so glad you're here. And then I say, let me open class with a little drumming. And then what if I say I'm going to also sing during this opening incantation? I am singing. I am singing. I have been left by the muse. She left me on my own. Here singing with my drum into my microphone. I know you're still here.